Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure. I found some lights that will work in the bumper of a Honda Ridgeline. Now these are normally just reflectors in the bumper, and this is years like 2017 to 2020. And I'm not sure about the newer models, but these reflectors here, I found them on Amazon of all places, and they fit right in. They're off an old Pilot, like 2008, 2000 something. I will put a link in the description to these. But these snap right in. They have the factory looking mount that's made of metal and the little clip there. These are sequential turn, brake, stop, everything, and they're decent quality. They're made as well as anything of this type that you find in a vehicle from the factory. The wiring's real good. I had to test them with a 9-volt battery to figure out which one was right, which one was left, so the sequential turns would go out and not in. So I wanted them to go out like that. So I did that, tested them with a little 9-volt battery. That's all that I needed, and figured them out. And now I need to remove the reflectors from the bumper of the Ridgeline and install these and wire them up. Now, when it comes to wiring, you can wire them right to your taillights. I'm just going to wire them to a little 4-pin, and I had to figure that out with a little testing and going back and forth, but I'm just going to do this to plug them in right now, and I will probably wire them later more permanently, but this is what I'm going to do for now, and let's get to it. So I don't know if you can see up under the bumper there, but the metal clip is on this side right here, and you have to push that in with a flathead screwdriver, and then the whole thing just pops out. And it's just a reflector, so you can just save it or discard it or whatever you want to do. And then the one on the other side is done the same way. So from behind the reflector, it has the same clip as this, and that's what you're unclipping. So basically you just have to press it in like that to get it unclipped. And this is just a little thing that hangs on the other piece of plastic from the bumper. So just to kind of give you an idea, probably need a little pin light to get up in there. There it is. Let's see it. Of course, these are made to never come out, even in an accident. But there it is. I'm going to show you this. You can see that clip. There's the little hanger right here that hangs on. There's a little metal clip. You just press that in, and you're good to go. Now again, I had already labeled these right and left, meaning as I'm facing right and left. So, and I put a little mark on the back with one of those gold Sharpies, but it seemed to work good. So anyways, let's go ahead and feed these through and get that going. Looks like it will need a little bit of a trimming right here to make the wire fit. Let's go ahead and do a little bit of that. Well guys, there you have it. I've got the sequential bumper lights installed and they're working. Here they are at night. They work great. And of course you can see how they flash out to the outside of the vehicle. That took some doing, but I figured it out. It was kind of a trial and error thing with the wiring, but I got it. I hope you liked the video. I've done quite a few videos on the Ridgeline so far. I've done hundreds on the Tundra, and I've started doing some on the Subaru. If you would, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And, stay tuned. I'll have more Ridgeline videos coming your way. See ya.